Hey guys, my name is Chris and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to claim or earn two things. One, I'll be teaching you how to claim the DogBoss token, 500 DogBoss token, and also I'll be teaching you how to earn unlimited BNB for free. How to earn unlimited BNB for free. So do well to finish this video tutorial, because at the end of the video tutorial, that's when I will be revealing to you my strategy of earning unlimited BNB through these steps. So right now, guys, this is the DogBoss token airdrop website right in front of you, and as you can see, this is going to be listed on PancakeSwap. It is going to be listed on PancakeSwap on July 10, 2021. The information is here, and one DogBoss token will be equivalent to a minimum of 15 cents and a maximum of 51 cents upon listing. So the sale price of this DogBoss token is 0.01 BNB to 3,000 DogBoss. So if you want to buy, you can opt in to buy, but that's not the point of this video. The point of this video is how to claim the airdrop. So for you to claim this airdrop, you go to the description below, the description of this video. Then you have to copy the airdrop link and paste it on your Trust Wallet dApps browser. I'll show you how to do that in few seconds from now. For those of you that are using the YouTube mobile app, you won't be able to copy the link. So what you need to do is, once you go to the description below, just click on the link and open the airdrop website with your native browser. So once you get to the browser, this is the same page that will get displayed right here. This is the same page that will get displayed right here. So all you need to do is copy the link, because if you go straight to clicking on airdrop, of which that's what you eventually do, it will give you an error message, or it might not even load. So what you need to do is copy the link at the top of your, if you are using Chrome, just click on this address area. So once you click on the address area, you are going to see this icon. If you are using Chrome, just copy it. So once you copy it, the next thing you need to do is to go to your Trust Wallet app. So I'll go to my Trust Wallet app right now, and I'm going to paste it, the link that I copied. I'm going to paste it in the dApps browser. So this is where the dApp browser is. So you click on it. Once you click on it, at the top right here, the address center, you are going to paste the link that you copied. So once you paste the link that you copied, you can just go ahead and click on continue. So it's going to load the dogboss.io website, and this dogboss.io website is built on the Binance Smart Chain. So the first thing you are going to do on this website is asking for me to connect. I'll just click on connect, but the first thing to do is to go to this icon right here and change it from Ethereum to Smart Chain, because that is the Ethereum network, and DogBoss token is not on the Ethereum network. So once I click on the icon, I will just click on Smart Chain. This is Smart Chain right here. So once I click on Smart Chain right there, it's going to reload the website. So I have to just connect again. So I click on connect, and I am connected. So right here, you would see this page. You can see we have just 18 days left as at the point of making this video. So all you need to do is click on airdrop. So once you click on airdrop, it is going to confirm the transaction. So as you can see, the network fee is 0.18 and a max total of 0.79. So right here, you can see the transaction here is $0.60. That's about 60 cents. So remember I mentioned getting unlimited BNB. So this is the method of getting unlimited BNB. So when you refer people to claim this airdrop and they use your referral link, just as you have used my referral link in the description below, you'll be getting 30% of BNB, 30% of the BNB. I don't know if you understand. 30% of the transaction BNB of those other people, as well as 100% of the DogBoss token. So right now, let's say this is $0.60. That's about 60 cents, and you invited. Okay, let me open my calculator right now. So I'm going to open my calculator right now, and I'm going to do some calculations. So the transaction fee is 0.60, as you can see. Now 30% of that, that's 0.3. 30% is 0.3. So 30% of that, that's 0.18. So for each person that you invite, you're going to be getting 18 cents. You're going to be getting 18 cents. So if you are inviting about 1,000 people, that's $180. So that's how to earn unlimited BNB. So I'm going to take you through the process of earning unlimited BNB, the things that you need to do, and how to set up your own referral link. So please ensure that you continue this video till the end. So I'm going to go back to my Trust Wallet. So it's going to reload. I open the calculator so you can see the analysis of how you can earn some BNB using this claim method. So we are back to my Trust Wallet. So all I need to do is confirm this transaction by clicking on approve down there. You can see it down here. Click on approve. So once I click on approve, it's going to give me a success reply. So it's loading. So you can see payment successful. So once you've done that, all you just need to do is click on OK. So once you click on OK, then you go back to your own page by clicking on that X icon. So once I click on that, I go back to my wallet down here. So once I click on wallet, as you can see, you cannot view it right now. So even if I refresh, it is still not there. So all I need to do is click on this toggle icon at the top right corner of the wallet. So once I click on that, then I'll have to paste in the contract address. So you can in the description of this video there will be a contract address. Just copy it, or better still, just come back to the apps browser. If you remember this, I will go to the apps browser, click on the DogBoss website, then right here you would see the contract address. You can see it right there. So click on copy. So once you copy it, it says contract address copied successfully. So come back to wallet, click on the gray toggle again at the top right corner. So once you click on it, you paste the contract address. So once you paste it, you can see it says no assets found. So this is where you have to add the custom token manually. So this next phase is how to add a custom token on your Trust Wallet. So what you need to do is to click on add custom token. Once you click on custom token, it's going to ask you for the contract address. So paste the contract address right there. Then the name of the token is DogBoss. Then the symbol is dog B. So that's the symbol. So the decimal, you impute the decimal just as you can see. So once you impute the decimal, you click on done. Okay, right before we click on done, there's one thing that we have not done, and that is changing the network from Ethereum to smart chain, and you can find that at the top right corner right here. So once you click on it, you change it to smart chain. I hope you can see that right here. That's where I changed it to smart chain. So once you do that, you change the decimal again. So once you change the decimal, then click on done. So once you click on done, it will be added automatically. So sorry, there was a glitch right there. The thing is, when you change the network from smart chain to Ethereum, or from Ethereum to smart chain, then you have to re-enter those values. So once again, I'll just have to paste the contract address, click on the name is DogBoss, the symbol is dog B, then you put the decimal. So once you put the decimal, you click on done. So as you can see, 500 DogBoss has been awarded to me. So now we'll go straight to the part where you have to create or generate your own referral link. And before you can generate your own referral link, you must have claimed the airdrop. So what you need to do is right here, you need to click on receive. So once you click on receive, you see your own DogBoss address. So all you need to do is just to copy the address, and once you copy the address, you can now paste it on the DogBoss website for you to generate your own referral ID. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So I go back to my wallet. So once I go back to my wallet, you can see DogBoss is already here. So I go back to dApps. So once I go back to dApps, I revisit the website, the DogBoss website. So once I revisit the DogBoss website, I'll have to scroll down. So you can see referral to get. So you can always paste your referral link here, although it will be there automatically. But you can always paste your referral link. Just paste it and click on referral. So once you click on referral, it says the page at DogBoss says link copied successfully. So you click on OK. So once you click on OK, you can now share your referral link to people. You can share your referral link to your friends. You can share it on Facebook. Then you just need to highlight the steps people need to take. So immediately they purchase, or immediately they claim their own airdrop, you get 30% of the BNB that they paid for the transaction. So that's how to earn unlimited BNB using this method. So guys, if this video has been valuable to you, please do well to leave a subscribe, like the video, and if you have any question for me, drop them in the comments section below. And don't forget to share with your friends. Don't be stingy, share with your friends so they can also get this opportunity.